I started 5 years ago to this journey, and when I was in my junior college, found a friend of mine who could solve a Rubik's Cube easily. I got so fascinated by the way he was solving it so fast. I came home, searched for the tutorials, bought a cube from marketplace and tried solving it because the quality of the cube from marketplace wasn't good enough. It used to break and all. So I got a speed cube online and practiced it through the YouTube videos, found out different methods that exist, and somehow I started cubing with it. After which I went online to search what other kind of shapes are available in the Rubik's Cube. I found out about pyraminx, the mirror cube and various other puzzles that are there available.